Before independence, all the typewriters in India were imported and British brands dominated the office. The typewriters were costly, had limited supply, and took weeks to repair. Recognizing the need for Indian made machines, Godrej Group, which is already known for its safe and locks, decided to build a typewriter in India. So they started developing it. But it was not easy as it had 1400 plus unique parts and no blueprint to build it. After approximately 7 years of trial and error, they launched Godrej Prima in 1955 and it was India's first indigenous typewriter. Godrej Group then expanded quickly, building models in different regional languages and supplying it across the country. What started as an import alternative became the symbol of India's industrial confidence. Subscribe for more such content.